I'm installing on a Dometic Skylight. I have 4 pieces of Velcro, 2 short and 2 long ones. So I'll start with the short ones. The short ones will go in this area. So I just line up with the edge of the plastic frame. I do the same on the other side. Line up, matching with the edge. And then the 2 long Velcros will go on the other side. Again, just meeting with the edge of the plastic frame. And the last piece. Once they're all in place, just make sure it's well aligned all the way around. Wait 12 hours just so the glue can cure enough and not peel off in the future. And then once you wait that time, you're gonna install your skylight cover. So there are some Velcros here. What we're gonna do, just line up again with the Velcros in the ceiling. And that's your skylight cover installed. Now when you wanna open, they have magnets built in, so you can just fold in 1/3 or 2/3. You can travel like that if you want. And when the night hits, you wanna just make everything blackout again, you just put it back. And that's it. Thank you.